Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel with Shane and Ryan today.
Hey guys.
We're here to show you this awesome 1994 GMC Sierra Z71 1500 4x4.
Yeah, this thing's pretty wild truck.
Got the two-tone blue and white paint scheme. It's got some real nice aftermarket meaty tires and wheels on it.
Yeah, let me get a close-up on that.
Yeah, they look brand new.
Yeah, they do.
The paint on it's gorgeous. The chrome on it's gorgeous. The glass on it's gorgeous. As you can see down the line as he's looking with the camera now, there's no waves in the body. It's not full of door dings or paint damage anywhere.
It's got the mirror closed.
Yeah, I should have pulled that open.
Yeah, it's all good.
It does have a nice toolbox in the back. The aftermarket large steel bumper. With
Oh yeah, look at this
package
thing.
built into it.
So
Bed liner.
Hey, I want to see that bumper though.
This truck's pretty much the original truck.
This is a pretty monster.
Yeah, that's a monster. I had one of them on mine.
Yeah, you can do some towing.
$800 bumper. It's got the running boards on it. This truck's power steering, power brakes, cruise control.
Man, it's clean.
Power windows, doors, locks. Has the AM, FM radio with the tape deck.
Does it really?
Yeah, tape deck with a built-in equalizer from the factory.
You're old, man.
It's good stuff.
Wow.
You
Here,
see
let me
that?
actually.
The velour interior is nice.
That's pretty cool. It's a cranker. Fires right up. She says we'd want her to. What do you say we go for a spin, yeah?
Let's do it.
Let's go have some fun.
Here we are, test drive 94 GMC 4x4. School's out for vacation, so I can go fast.
That's right.
Oh man, it feels good.
Yeah, it does feel good. Shifting, no chugging.
No kind of hesitations. Listen, we got a good RPM gauge, a good speedometer, good oil pressure gauge.
How's the
good fuel, good voltage.
how's the braking? Let's find out.
Find out.
Yeah, she's humming.
Oh yeah, brakes feel real good. Not pulling to the left or right. You don't see any play in my steering wheel when I hit the brakes. Let's run through a couple gears real quick.
Pony show.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she's getting after it.
Little 305 V8 from the factory.
Pretty smooth drive too. I was expecting it to be a little
Oh, nice and quiet.
Little.
No clanks, no squeaks.
yeah.
I don't think they overdid it with the lift and tires.
No, I think
it
I was expecting a lot of road noise, but she's pretty quiet.
Passing gear kicks right in.
Yeah, downshifted right.
Turn her around.
All right, guys, we'll see you back at the shop in the air. We'll take a peek at the undercarriage.